In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an infographic using Canva. Infographics are an excellent way to communicate information visually, making complex information more digestible and engaging. Whether you're a seasoned designer or someone just starting, Canva offers a user-friendly platform to bring your ideas to life with ease. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, open up Canva in your web browser. Canva is a fantastic tool that provides a wide range of templates and custom design options. So once you're on Canva's homepage, head over to the search bar, typically located at the top of the page. Here you're going to type in infographic. This is going to bring up hundreds of beautiful pre-made infographic templates. These templates are a great starting point as they can save you a lot of time compared to creating a design from scratch. Now take a moment to browse through the selection. Canva offers a variety of styles and themes that cater to different needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for something minimalistic or vibrant, you're bound to find something that fits your vision. Keep in mind the type of information you want to present and choose a template that complements that data effectively. Once you've found a template that resonates with you, go ahead and click on it. This will open up the template page where you'll see an option to customize this template. Clicking here will take you to Canva's design interface, where the real fun begins. This is the space where you can let your creativity shine by tailoring the infographic to fit your specific requirements. In the design workspace, you can modify virtually every element of the template. Let's start with the text. Click on any text box within the template to begin editing. It's essential to convey your information clearly, so make sure to choose language that is concise and impactful. If the default font or size doesn't work for you, you can easily adjust these settings using the toolbar at the top of the page. Play around with the different options until you achieve the desired effect. Beyond text, consider customizing colors, images, and icons to better suit your theme or brand. Canva makes it easy to adjust colors by clicking on the element you want to change and selecting a new color from the palette. Similarly, images can be swapped out quickly using Canva's extensive library of free images and icons. Just drag and drop elements into the design area. Remember to save your progress as you go along. Once you're satisfied with your newly crafted infographic, you can download it in various formats like PNG or PDF, making it simple to share across different platforms. And there you have it, a custom infographic created right in Canva, ready to captivate and inform your audience. Thanks for watching and happy designing.